This is Victoria from Voice. Last days before I'm going to Hollywood to become a voice actress. Let's see if I'm gonna make it. But with my ambitions and with my life experience, I definitely know I'm gonna make it. You know, it's never ever late to become someone, to start doing what is literally your destiny, to become famous. Oh yeah, baby. Woo-hoo. And what a beautiful weather here in Pennsylvania. So time to say bye to my friends. I'm very, very thankful for their hospitality and for their care. And I hope they enjoy time with me. And yeah, for me it's time to go forward. Shit happens. We all know that, unfortunately. But life is way much more than just a couple of shitty stories. And yes, I know it can hurt, but it's all about your energy and about you to accept all the miracles this universe have for you, for your family, for your loved ones. So going back to Los Angeles again, not just with a minus on my accounts, but with a big plus of cortisol on my body. So let's see. I hope I'll see you from the movies.